What's going on, guys? This is Dr. Shah, your plant-based doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite breakfast to go. I literally eat this every single day. There is no change in this, and it's healthy, it's high protein, and it gives me all the energy to be the best version of myself that day. Let's get into it. Today we're going to take it a little easy, and we are just going to use the Instapot that I have. We're going to use our cup. This is 1/2 cup. Going to go in here. We'll put a little bit of plant-based milk into this. Oh, it's not open. Great. And then we'll put a little bit in there just like that. I don't want to put too much because I don't want it to get too soggy. Again, oatmeal, guys, is for me one of the best. Also, if you guys don't have this, try this out. This is so easy in the morning. You can just set and forget kind of thing. And it has a porridge option here. I just go with 10 minutes. Usually takes about 12 minutes. But as this is cooking, you can do other things. You can clean, you can get ready. And while this is cooking, the oatmeal is cooking in here, you're getting ready for the day. So let's do it. All right, while that's cooking, I want to just come in here and talk to you. If you're just a busy person and you just don't got that much time like me, it is so easy to do. I mean, you don't have to think about it. You saw what I did there. I put it in the Instapot and I set it and forget. Now I'm gonna go and clean up. I'm gonna get ready for the day. I'm gonna get my outfit set out. I'm gonna clean and do whatever I need to do to get ready for the day. But it just saves time. Try to find ways to save time. I'll make it less resistance for me to be healthy, because if I have to think about it, just like most of us, if there's barriers to you accomplishing something, you're less likely to do it. Take those barriers out and make it easy for yourself. For about, I don't know, maybe for like 10 years, I've been eating protein oatmeal. It's simple, it's quick. You can customize it in so many ways. You can put berries, you can put fruits, you can put granola, you can add so many healthy toppings on top of it, which basically makes it a power meal, right? And it's so easy to make. That's the crazy part about it. I personally like granola. I like shredded coconut. I like to put berries. I like a lot of blueberries. As you guys know, I'm I'm obsessed with blueberries. Blueberries is probably one of the most highest antioxidants out of all the small berries as we have. So if you're gonna get any berries, make sure to get the blueberries, organic always, and make sure you wash them too. That being said, if you can do one meal where you have the time to just make it healthy, breakfast is the best, because breakfast will set the tone for the day. It's so powerful, because if you have a healthy breakfast, you're more likely to eat a healthy lunch and a healthy dinner and just finish off the day eating healthy. Why? Because it's momentum. Momentum will help you stay healthy throughout the day. So my biggest tip for you guys, if you're struggling to just start eating healthy and start eating plant-based, start that health journey and the fitness journey, just start with one thing. Start with breakfast. And I recommend the protein oats. Try it. It tastes amazing. It's easy. It's high protein and has a bunch of nutrients in it. Try that and see how your day goes. Let's check this out. Let's see how it's looking. So with the Instapot, there's always this pocket of air. It's like a whistle. It's like a pressure that basically comes up. But once you open it, boom, it looks nice. But look at that. Yes, sir. Let's go. Man, that's like creamy oats right there. Yeah. Sometimes when we try to make oats, it just doesn't come out like a soft, creamy texture. But the Instapot is legit. I'm just letting you guys know. Now we're gonna add our toppings, right? We got a little bit of protein powder. This is what I do. I put about 1 scoop, sometimes 2 scoops. It really depends, but this will give me close to about 20 grams of protein. I add just a little bit of plant-based milk because it's easier to mix. So then I just go ahead and really simple, and it gives you a nice texture also, right? There it is, beautiful oats. Now we're gonna start the toppings. You guys already know, man, we gotta get the blueberries. Now we have some figs. I like to cut them. Some beautiful figs, as you guys see. Look at that color, beautiful. This gives you, I use figs mainly because 1, it gives you a nice little sweetness, and then 2, it is abundant in minerals, vitamins and minerals. It is abundant, and remember, fruits is what you guys want to eat, man. More fruits. This is almost like nature's candy. This and dates. Those are two things that I love. Next, we are adding our chocolate chips. You add this in here, it kind of just melts, right? Last but not least, pumpkin seeds. You guys got to get this. This is the great source of iron, protein. Look at the protein on this count, by the way. It's 8 grams. 8 grams right there per There it is. And lastly, we have some granola. I will just put that right on top of. Looks good, tastes good. And lastly, what I will put, just a little bit of mint leaves. Just puts a little flavor to it. And voila. There you guys have it. It is a protein oatmeal bowl. But check it out, it's way more than that. It's protein in it, it's vitamins, it's minerals, it's awesome taste to it. I would recommend you guys have it every morning. And it took me, what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to make? Honestly, if you pop the oatmeal in the microwave, it's probably gonna take you less than that. But this is how I like it. I hope you enjoy it. Beautiful. That is a meal that you guys want to have in the morning. It will give you lasting energy. This provides me energy all the way up to lunch, maybe 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. I can go all day working hard. I can go to the hospital, I can go to clinics, see patients. I got no problem until 1 o'clock, and that's where I start to feel hungry. But this lasts me that long, and it keeps me mentally focused. Make sure you remember that, like what you eat, how you make that is exactly how it's gonna make you feel. If you eat something processed in the morning, you're gonna feel not the best. But if you eat something natural, if you eat something sustainable, if you eat something that your body is meant to digest and take in as energy form, you're gonna feel a lot better. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more meals and more breakfast options, lunch options, and dinner options, if you're trying to go plant-based and being healthy and fit, leave a comment, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.